let's bake a cake for my son's second birthday party. In today's vlog, we're gonna go through so much cleaning, prepping, and it's gonna rain on Saturday, which really sucks because our theme was supposed to be a pool party with popsicles, and so we're gonna have to revise that, pick a new theme. And since it's indoors, I'm just gonna go ahead and invite the rest of the family. So today is Thursday, and this vlog is gonna be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the new theme that we're gonna go with is Too Wild. So let's go ahead and start with the vlog. Right now it is Thursday and I'm baking this cake. I'm making two. It is called honey cake. You have to bake each layer one by one, and then you'll be able to stack it. My kids are currently napping and I'm shocked the progress that I got while they're napping. And then once they woke up, Eddie went ahead and took them outside because the floor gets very messy when I make this. The crumbs get everywhere, the flour gets everywhere, and normally I am a clean as I go, but somehow it still gets pretty messy. And now that we're done with two cakes, we're just going to go ahead and put them in the refrigerator and start cleaning. And I'm not going to start my deep cleaning until probably Friday night or Saturday morning because these kids are going to make a huge mess, but I am going to try to clean as much as I can. So here's some music while I clean. After I did some cleaning, we headed out to IKEA, picked up this IKEA shelf, and then we started assembling this on Friday morning. And it took a while because the boys wanted to be involved, so why not just let them go ahead and practice and learn some skills. It's Isaiah's nap time, so we're just going to go ahead and finish this up later. So now the boys are eating, so I'm going to go ahead and restock the eggs and anything else that needs to get put away. And some more cleaning. After the boys' nap, we played outside a little bit until Eddie got home. And then when Eddie got home, I went ahead and went shopping with my mom. We had to run errands, pick up food, decor, and finding decor and party supplies that's going to match the new theme. Next stop is TJ Maxx. So let's see if we can find anything. And I was definitely Lulu and still got these popsicle theme plates because this would have been perfect for the original theme. And I'm still hoping out that it's gonna be sunshine and good enough for a pool party. I'm also looking for stuff for my office and I thought I found the perfect one, but wait until you see the next one that I find. How perfect is this picture frame and painting? It's definitely going home with me. The rest of the stuff was a no-go, although this Paris one is very cute. But maybe I should get Louis the Great here. And then I thought I could find some form of toy or activity for Isaac's birthday because we really wanted to avoid toys and there was nothing that stood out. So we're just gonna go ahead and see what they have for clothes. This would be perfect for the Too Wild, but I just wasn't really sold on it. They do have a lot of summer clothes, but I'm looking for clothes when they're a little older, so long sleeve and winter clothes. We got the picture frame and some party decor. Let's head to Home Goods, but first let's go ahead and check out the flowers over at Home Depot. And let's just go ahead and plant these all over my house. And now some Home Goods shopping with some music. Now we are home. Let's go ahead and wrap up Isaac's gift. We're using this little elf gift wrapping tool, so if you don't already have one, I highly recommend it. Went downstairs and finished cleaning up that area and getting it set up, and now let's go ahead and inflate these inflatable animals. We got these off Amazon and they are $40 for 3. But how darn cute are these little animals? We got a giraffe, zebra, and elephant. Let's put this away and finish cleaning for tonight. Now it is Saturday. It is the day of the birthday and our Amazon package did not arrive, but I got super lucky and the Dollar Tree had exactly what we needed. Went to pick up some last items from Walmart, but checked out the outfits and I was able to find Isaac a new outfit that he's gonna wear for his birthday. So let's run home because the time is ticking and we have a lot to do. So let's go ahead and finish some last minute cleaning and start decorating for the birthday party. The decor is all set up, so let's get this party started. The party was such a blast, and now it's Sunday, and Isaac has officially turned 2, so let's celebrate with a little candle and cake.
Look! Again!
You can have your cake now. Happy birthday. We got this flower garden off TikTok and the kids are obsessed. But we're heading out, getting them out of the house, letting them walk around, play with the water. It got hot pretty quickly, so we're walking over to Whole Foods to grab something to drink. And then we're going to go ahead and head home for their nap times and then set up the pool. So Isaac eating some chips, Liza's eating some chips, drying up. We got some Olipop, we got the Barbie one and the fruit punch. Really nice day today. We ended the day with some pool and just celebrating Isaac's 2nd birthday.